So you've started printing something and now you realize you don't actually want to print it. Or maybe you hit print by accident and now you're scrambling to stop it before it wastes a bunch of paper. Don't worry. Canceling a print job on your Mac is super easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Whether your printer has a touchscreen or not, or whether you want to cancel it from your Mac directly, we've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple methods to cancel print jobs on your Mac. Let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 3. For printers with touchscreen panel. While your printer is printing, your screen will show the printing status right on display. To cancel the print job, you just need to simply tap on the X button that appears on the screen. Now, just wait for a moment while your printer processes the cancellation. It will completely stop the print job and you're all done. If your printer doesn't have a touchscreen, here's how to cancel a print job. Method 2. For printers without touchscreen panel. On your printer's control panel, locate the cancel button, which looks like an X icon. Just tap on it. Keep in mind, these first 2 methods only stop the current job that's printing. They won't clear any pending jobs that might be sitting in the queue waiting to print. However, if you need to clear multiple jobs from the queue, you can do this from your Mac itself. Method 3. Cancel print jobs on Mac. Open Spotlight Search on your Mac. That's the magnifying glass in the top right corner. Type printers and scanners and open it. From the list of printers that appear, select your printer. Now, look for an option called Printers Queue and click on it. This will show all the print jobs that are waiting to print. In that queue, locate the specific print job you wish to remove and click the Cancel button, usually shown as X icon, right next to it. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.